Hello people. Okay, I'm going to do this video to show you that those videos that they post on YouTube by when you want to replace your Samsung tablets and or iPhones or Samsung phones or Notes. Okay, it's not so easy as they show you in the videos. Okay, because it's pretty hard to open this kind of devices. Like over here, they show you a lot of tools to buy on their sites in the description, right? So this one, it's a broken Digitizer, and I just got the replacement there. Okay, so one thing that I want to tell you is that probably this process to open this kind of devices, it's only when you're going to replace the LCD or the Digitizer. Okay, if you want to replace the battery, you're going to sacrifice the Digitizer, because when you pry in all the edges, okay, when you pry in the edges, it's pretty hard to pry out or pry up. Okay, and as you can see, this is what happens right here. See this piece over here is stuck in there. Okay, and you can see this one, and this is only trying from this area. All this area I already waste one, two, another, a more stronger one. Okay, this one, and this one here too. Okay, is as you can see, is damaged. Okay, and this is the next one that I'm using, and I'm sure that I'm going to end up finish damaging this one too. So the last resource is going to be this one. And I noticed that when I try to pry up, okay, when I try to pry this up, you're not gonna be saved of breaking the Digitizer. When you want to replace just the battery or another component besides the Digitizer or the LCD, okay, when you pry in these areas here with this kind of tools, okay, the glass bends. When you pry this up and this piece of here enters in here, this glass bends, so it breaks very easily. And also you run the risk of breaking the LCD inside. Okay, because when you try to pry in the tool in the edge, it's pretty hard to try to get the tool in when you pry in this area. So I suggest you that when you're going to change the battery, to do as be careful as you can, or buy a Digitizer with your battery. So because I know you're gonna damage this. So one idea that came to my mind is that I think if you're going to replace just the battery or another component in the inside, and you want to try not to break the Digitizer, I think the best way to protect it is to first heat the area and unglue it, you know, lift it up like this, like I'm doing with the guitar pick and the heat. Okay, the best possible way you can do it without breaking the digitizer. Okay, you can try to hit the area maybe 1 inch only, and put this kind of, you know, of tool, a very sharp tool, between the edge, okay, and the frame, and just go little bit in. But you need to, you know, to hit the area very, maybe like 8 seconds, 5 to 8 seconds, only this area, only one, like 1 inch, okay, and then go with this tool and insert it, okay, and then you can, after that you can use your guitar pick just to open the little spot, okay, and after that you can continue with your guitar pick, you know, hit the area and run the guitar pick, okay, and then I think it's easier with the digitizer lifted up already to start praying up, okay, from the main case. So in that way, when you insert this kind of tool, you know, the digitizer is not anymore glued to the frame, so you can, you know, try to insert the tool and pry up, so you don't run the risk anymore to crack the digitizer. You know, this is only if you're going to just to replace just the battery or another component in the inside, okay. I've seen some videos on YouTube just to get the idea how these things open, but it's not so easy as they show you in the video. In those videos they show you just to buy their tools, you know, like this place over here. As you can see, I'm gonna show you, okay. This guy says let's start. After he shows all the tools, you know, all the tools over here, as you can see here, all the tools that they recommend from their website, okay. Now he says let's get started, okay. So you're gonna see it's already open. See, it's already lift up. Can you see that? So he continues and makes it looks easy. See that? See that? It's already open there. Using the accessible chisel, get in between the midframe and the backplate. See? So you gotta be careful of believing in those kind of videos. I just watch those videos just to get an idea, okay, of how these things open, okay. So it's not easy as it looks, okay. You're gonna have a hard time try to get this inside in here, okay. Just because this glass is already broken, okay, this digitizer is already broken, okay, I don't care, okay. But when you pry with this tool, the glass is gonna broken, okay. So good luck. And I'm in the halfway, you know, I already lift this part here and this part here, see. So this next and then the last. So all the purpose of this video is to let you know that it's not easy as it looks in those fucking videos on YouTube, okay. Because these people only sells tools, okay, and they show you a process, but they show you the easy part. They also show you supposedly when you put the heat over here, you know, they put their tool inside, you know, and they go like butter, you know. That's another lie too, because I've been open these glasses and they are glued as hell, okay. So don't believe in those fucking guys. Just try your best to do the best you can, and see ya.